Riding in Quebec in July. Every 5 months, studio popcorn live. We go west, so we drop some. For the kids in the hall with the new black tape. Blasting propane is a boondock say. So get up and let the sound hit ya. Snap this over style picture. Kicking this on now, making it walk loud. Shaking the fuck wild, making the punch style. Taking the front pound, dark watch the clock, what now? Watch the power shit get shut down. Click, click, pow, just what I thought was up now. Click, click, pow, what? Just what I thought was up now. Split in the belly up on the shellfish. Shit in Indian style, playing the fair blitz. Drilling your brain and jamming video games. Phillips up with the amber style, shit's getting into your vein, y'all. What kind of stuff is he on? Really your style, really you on. Come on, pump, shove off. Really gotta be gone. Really gotta get brain. Slick over your lip and lift this up so we gang. What's with this? Shitting these kibbles and bits. I'm in the street, all in the globe. I can't fix, get it? I'm sick with it when I spit the venom in it. Trips up in a minute, gets the women in a minute. We can settle it now, and I don't know who did it, but they said it was styles. Click, pow, down, what? What's up now?
some heads nodding, fist pumping, feet stomping, shaking necks, breaking earthquake. Let's move. Battle, we got nothing to prove. Let's move. That's one supply of people with the groove. Let's move.
Hard tracks remind me of blacks with attacks. These are facts, drowning in the swamp like hard tax. Bossing the fear facts, chill, watch near match flicks. Then I start to get sick, tail drop. Take 39 like the hill bob. 4 teachers, 1 meal cop. Then the atmosphere will get real hot.
My flow is like torrential downpours, making steel rock. We pros whose credentials drown yours on the real blocks. It's not coincidental that we tour some real spots. Appeal, isolation, never taken for granted. Write a memo and hand it to your receptionist. The game's about to change, here come the perceptionist.
I'm a genie, the next time you see me it's Ouija. It's easy, I'm folding this dimension and breezy. Event Horizon, Miles Bennett, Dyson, M, Tyson, M. These are the components for
2 black orators
of the year.
Yeah, hear the masters of the hemisphere.
Universe,
pumping knowledge through the bones.
intensity,
adrenaline, hip-hop's propelling from my melanin.
live on the legends in your souls on the brother's whole song. You want to hear them at the verse, everybody cool. Hola, hola.
See some heads nodding, fist pumping, feet stomping, shaking necks, breaking earthquake. Let's move. For battle, we got nothing to prove. Let's move. Perfectionists provide the people with the groove. Let's move. Let's move.
Show you what oppression is. Soul speaking split sentences. Get sick, tail drop. Mega trike, use a mega knife to slice through the afterlife. Soul spill,
so ill,
so chill,
so will.
take you on a rhyme adventure, mind dimension, time to venture.
Time to enter with the prime inventors of a solid central intercontinental champions are stomping and you're camping and we positively lamping in your spot.
You're booted.
Raise the processionist flag, 21 guns saluted, everyone's lungs polluted, women and young included.
Computers are ones recruited. Look how the hung maneuver.
Strange fruit used to swing from the southern trees. Now there's only leaves and those who laid the path of love and need.
Discoveries and the brothers freeze. Others beg and plead for some empathy. Enemy, there's no remedy.
Cooking up that hot,
but not sharing the
let me
recipe.
see some heads